And the Grammy goes to...
Daft Punk, featuring Pharrell Williams and Nile Rodgers.
Producers Thomas Bangalter and Guy Manuel de Cristo.
And the winner is, for Record of the Year, Sam Smith, Stay With Me.
Producers Steve Fitzmaurice, Rodney Jerkins, and Jimmy Napes. Engineers Tom Coyne.
Uptown Funk.
Producers Jeff Basker, Tom Coyne, Philip Lawrence, Bruno Mars, and Mark Ronson. Engineers Josh Blair, Ricardo Damian, Sir Bunganias, Wayne Gordon, John Haynes, Inam Haq, Boo Mitchell, Charles Moniz, and Mark Ronson.
And the Grammy goes to Hello, Adele.
Producer Greg Kirsten. Engineers Julian Berg, Tom Coyne, Tom Elmhurst, Emil Haney, Greg Kirsten, Randy Merrill, Liam Nolan, Alex
24.